Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to MailerLite for email automations tied to apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the MailerLite website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a secure password that you will remember. Click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from MailerLite. Open the email and click on the verification link. Fill out the required information on the next page, including your name and company details. Select your preferences for email communication from MailerLite. Once completed, click on the Continue button. Now, navigate to the Integrations section in the main dashboard. Browse the list of apps available for integration. Click on the app you wish to connect with MailerLite. Follow the prompts to authenticate and authorize the connection. Return to the dashboard and select Automation from the menu. Click on Create New Automation to start setting up your email workflow. Choose the trigger for your automation based on actions in your connected app. Define the actions you want MailerLite to take when the trigger occurs. Customize your email content and timing for each step in the workflow. Once satisfied with your setup, click on Save to activate your automation. Monitor the performance of your automation through the analytics provided by MailerLite. Adjust your automation settings as necessary based on the results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.